Welcome to the brand new 2023 Chevrolet Traverse RS. The RS Traverse is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Traverse RS, power windows, locks, mirrors, your height adjustable trunk release, automatic headlights, leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, 6 kilometers on the odometer, brand new, push button ignition, nice large 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control with heated front seats. You have your automatic shifter knob with your RS branded, as well as your driving modes, auto stop start, lane keep assist, all black interior with Bose audio, beautiful RS branded seats, and we have the rear view camera system up front here as well. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Traverse, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package. We have the black alloy wheels with the Continental all-season tires, color match door handles, keyless entry, Traverse badging, color match mirror caps, LED strip camera system. Coming down to the front of the vehicle, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. The vehicle is equipped with the RS branding grille. We do have a front camera system as well. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. At the back of the Traverse, LED brake lights, dual chrome exhaust tips. You do have a power tailgate, your Traverse all-wheel drive badging, as well as a trailer tow package. Jumping into the interior here, second row, leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. Seats fold down nice and quick, giving us access to our third row with 60/40 leather split. Both end seats there, car seat ready as well. Over top, we have the black headliner with a dual panel sunroof system. We have heat and AC over top, LED lighting, your rear climate, as well as your USB ports and an outlet in the back of a center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 Chevrolet Traverse. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.